just out here looking for some trails.
Out here on the set of Wrong Turn 7.
Yeah. I feel safe.
Stranger danger, stranger danger.
Guess we're not back in it yet. Alright. Well, we missed all the leaves. That's too bad. Still a beautiful day. Country drive. To be continued. Oh.
Let's see.
We are officially in Wayne National Forest.
What the fuck? We just got here?
That we're only going to be in for like 5 seconds.
Oh.
We still got it. I think with these, you charge the battery itself. I gotta take it out. I got a tray, charge 3 at once. It's all good. I mean, I always take extra batteries and I never end up using them. And today I don't bring any.
I'm sure we'll be done by the time it actually dies.
Well, I want to get some.
I like her little handheld thing. I might think about getting one now. $200.
Or what? Oh, that little camera?
Yeah. She said you can put it on the dash too. That would have been awesome for today.
Oh, you can put these on the dash too. I got a little thing, a little GoPro holder. I'm more hands-on, you know? Another way of saying cheap. Yeah, I wanted to get something.
That'd be awesome.
Something exciting. Alright, we're either in somebody's driveway, we're gonna get shot, or we're on a gravel road. Let's all bring our new trucks down this shit road. Spent 3 hours waxing her.
That's why I didn't watch the outside.
Yeah. Good call on that.
Inside's pretty.
Smells nice too. Like
Yeah, they got that, their wilderness, it's called.
like a bathroom at Elder Bierman.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, that's rural. Okay.
We don't buy houses, we buy trailers.
Whee!
That'd be nice if it was done up better.
And screened in.
Yeah.
I can't do bugs. I'm a city boy pussy.
Yeah, he was a woodsman as long as he has off with it.
I'm a woodsman as long as I'm in the house.
When I'm roughing it, it's at a Motel 6. this shit. I don't like having white car behind me. A little bit on the scary side. Oh shit.
I know, it's way down there. You're getting all the good cliffs and valleys. I'm over here with freaking cars on blocks and
I
shit.
was just gonna put you in the back seat.
Yeah, I should jump back there. I'll jump back in the bed. I don't want to. Oh no, we're back on the street. Okay, we're gonna cut for now. I'm gonna have to edit. Woo!
We're going to Dolly Party's house.
We are down in it, boy.
Ooh.
Super nice day though. This is great. Oh. Woohoo! Now I get it.
Landslide.
Whoa, what the hell? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Roll my window up for this one. Oh, man, them hillbilly hot dogs are making a comeback. Oh, shit. All right, we'll be back. Oh, he's turning.
Uh-oh.
We're going back in. Oh, we're going in.
Unless he took the wrong turn again.
Oh.
We're turning around.
This looks interesting.
Why do I hear banjos?
Oh. Kevin just said that.
See if I can go through the whole thing without four-wheel.
How did she find this on a map?
Oh shit, Dave.
Oh, morning. Yeah. Watch that turn.
Dave's like, I'll film the shit. You watch. I just wanted to get you closer, buddy.
Posted. Sam Squatch warning.
Don't go past the fence. There's a cult back here. Look at that tree.
Man, there's firewood. Posted again. Somebody owns all this.
Oh shit, civilization.
Wow. Well, sort of.
Oh, that one was
Oh, got internet again. Hold on.
I was like, what?
Nope. Oh, not for this.
Oh, I'll be kicking up mud at me. Ah, poop. Oh no, that ain't poop. That's just whatever them.
Oh, shit. If you slowing down to go around something, oh, yeah.
Piece of wood.
Okay.
Can I take it with me? No, he went around it too. You bitches. You need to tell him that. Hey, you bitches went around that piece of wood. That log. I don't know, like, Tony, you may need to fix something later.
Their adventure took them down a dirt road,
They were never seen
only
again.
never to be seen again.
Imagine me and a kid out here. I mean, like, digging holes in the road just to fuck people up. Like, why are you down my road? but there's
Different shades of brown.
different shades of shit.
Yeah.
This would probably be awesome in the morning because them open fields would probably be covered with deer.
This would be awesome for ATV right here. It would be great as a kid growing up out here.
Oh man, this shit's like steep. I mean, flat would be okay, but you get near these hills. Fall down. I don't think they'd live it. It's got die ones.
Go big or go home. Is that what you said?
Yep.
Risk it for the brisket.
I don't like brisket though.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Simmer down now.
Oh, yeah.
You can see the treetops. It's pretty awesome.
Think we found our new hunting spot.
It's not the kind of tail I hunt.
Oh, my. Uh-oh, fork in the road. Make a decision. Make a decision.
Shit, it's like a triangle.
Well, it's wider now.
Let's gravel.
Yeah, I didn't think there'd be a whole lot of mud out here. Hell, it hasn't rained in a week and a half.
Yeah, but we are in West Virginia. I don't know how long it's rained.
Are we?
Oh,
Thought we
no,
crossed back
are.
over.
Yeah, we are. I forgot.
We're still out here. We got about a 1/4 inch of dust on the windshield, so I'm gonna do the best I can here. There's no sense washing it off because if the windshield gets wet, then it's gonna be worse. We have arrived at Camp Crystal Lake, and
Camp director Freddy Krueger is here too.
oh shit, there's a road here. Well, it just keeps getting better. Howdy, folks. Oh,
Oh,
you did it that time.
look at this dog.
Where?
Dog's like, these bitches can't drive. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy.
Okay,
Sorry, dog guy.
he's talking to the dogs.
There's chickens in cages. You ever let your cock out? What the fuck's up with the chickens in the cages? Oh, look. Racers. What's that? Anyone feel like chicken tonight?
Well, did you hit the chicken or the dog?
No, the dog looked at us like these motherfuckers can't drive.
Now I'm gonna get home and look at this footage and probably see something I didn't see out here. Like, you never know. I could be filming.
Dude out there fucking a moose.
Hey, bear fucker! Stop that! You know, we had bears in Ohio.
That's not a bear, that's my wife. Shut up. It's no shave November.
Mind your business.
She's a squealer. We have to come outside.
Oh yeah, YouTube's gonna love this. I already marked on there, not for children. It's not even PG-13. They do upload faster now though, since I switched to 1080. Took it off of 2.7K. I was trying to. I mean, they still look good. I don't know. Tried 4K and that takes forever. Because it has to upload. And then once they get it, then they gotta do their thing to it to make it HD. Then they gotta do another thing to it to make it 4K or 2.7K. Process, they call it processing. Quotations. I'm gonna get that on camera. But with this, it's just like bada boom, bada bing, huh? Yeah, I'm see the little freaking.
I was watching Goodfellas last night. It was on TV. Don't know about it. Make out point right back there.
Trucks are moving around all over, bouncing around.
And there's a big old dip.
Boom, boom.
Look at this. Looks like someone took a bite out of the fucking
Oh! Sorry, viewers.
that 3D motion there.
Yeah. About went through the window. We good?
You'd have to delete that. I'd have to claim that shit on insurance.
Oh!
I want my fucking elbow. Oh my god.
Oh! All right, we found a trail.
Found mud.
There's some
Found
mud.
dirt.
Man, man.
Where's Joe? Got dirt. Oh, please, please pay attention. Please pay attention, you dumb dick. Sorry.
Oh. I'll edit that. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some editing.
I say it with love. Need a chair? Or is that a
What?
shitter?
What is happening?
We got mud. We got airborne.
Oh. Oh! Am I not seeing this shit? I see it on this side, but then it's like it hits me over here. Fuck this. What's this light off-road shit? Does this come with pothole insurance?
Tony's up here laughing so hard he can't breathe. We all jumped out of our seats and hit the roof. Amy just flew out of her seat and hit the roof.
What?
Son something about someone hit the wall. Oh. Fuck.
We have a vehicle parked.
Oh, they camping.
Is that a mailbox?
What the fuck?
Where the hell are we? What are you doing?
What are you doing, step bro?
Wow.
They're down here.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Fuck that.
I want to see the girls. I want to see that Cherokee go over. She went the same way I did. She's like, fuck that shit.
I got a great rear view mirror shot here. Yeah, she went around it. Oh.
I really want to go through the mud. Well, maybe I don't. Oh, maybe I don't.
Right there.
Oh, I'm looking behind us. Shit. I want to see them hit it. I want to see that Cherokee. Thank God I left my butt plug at home today. This would have hurt.
Yep. A little more editing.
fuck. Sorry, Dave. Oh my God.
Oh man. Well, careful what you wish for. These ain't trails. Well, they are now.
Fuck me. Should we be taking pictures of these cars on the side of the road just in case people come up and miss it?
Yeah, they're safe. It's bow hunting season.
Yeah, we're gonna be driving by, an arrow comes through the windshield.
It does kind of remind you of the movie Wrong Turn.
Great minds think alike, Wayne.
Oh, we just went around a big one up there.
So I'm trying to give distance so I can see. know about this
Yeah,
one.
See, they just,
It's
you
like-
know it's bad when you go around it and your truck goes like that anyway.
It's like, oh crap.
Ooh.
Sometimes I think my truck's wider than it is, and I'm like, oh, I'll clear it. Nah, not. Damn, look at all the dust on this truck. I'm gonna take it home like this too. I can wash it tomorrow.
Oh man. Oh, we gotta go and go. Hey, if we suddenly stop, I ran out of battery, so I'm not even gonna look to see what the screen says because I don't want to waste any juice. I want to get all this.
Good Lord. That's a big one. I don't even know how to hit this. Slow and easy.
Oh,
Look at him. He's like, ba-boom, ba-boom. That's what you need in the rear view, hitting that. Oh, shit.